हे गाइस, सो व्हाट हैपेंस कि जब हम शुरू शुरू में किसी एक नए फेज में जाते हैं, एक नए ऑफिस में जाते हैं। ऑफिस का पहला दिन, कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती है, कितनी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, हमारी लाइफ कैसी होगी, मतलब क्या हम वो कर पाएंगे, क्या हम नाम कमा पाएंगे, इज्जत कमा पाएंगे। पैसे तो सब कमाते हैं, ठीक है, तो पैसा वो कंस्ट्रेन नहीं होता। वहां पे क्या हो जाती है, हमारी आइडेंटिटी सबसे बड़ी एक स्ट्रगल होता है और एक फाइट होता है। कुछ बहुतों के सपने ऐसे होते होंगे जब वो फर्स्ट डे कॉलेज में जाते, फर्स्ट डे ऑफ ऑफिस वो जाते होंगे। मेरे भी कुछ वैसे ही सपने थे। So my first day at Cognizant was, it was full of excitement, full of, ambitious कि कुछ मुझे ऐसा करना है, वैसा करना है। मैंने कुछ कुछ चीज़ें लाइफ में मैंने एक बर्डन के तौर पे ले रखी थी। अगर आपको इंटरेस्टेड होगा, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना, मैं अपनी कॉलेज जर्नी भी शेयर करूंगी। बट अभी मैं अपनी ऑफिस की वो जर्नी शेयर करती हूँ जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ सीखा और हार के भी जीती हूँ कई जगह। तो इससे काफी लोगों को हेल्प मिलेगा कुछ लाइफ में ये चीज एक्सपीरियंस अगर वो करेंगे तो। So basically it started from December, and from December till June it was happening, everything was happening like perfectly. The life was going perfectly. Whenever I was getting some opportunity, I used to grab it. As I have already told you, means नेवर से नो टू एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी। मैंने कभी भी अपनी लाइफ में जितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली है उस चीज को गवाया नहीं है। इनफैक्ट मुझे मेरे तक अपॉर्चुनिटीज आने से पहले वो कईयों के पास जाती थी, लेकिन कईयों को लगता नहीं था कि वो इतनी ठीक है, आई एम बिजी विथ माई डेवलपमेंट वर्क, ये सब कौन करे। एंड आई वॉज द वन कि ठीक है मैं डेवलपमेंट संभालूंगी, गिव मी दैट, गिव मी दिस, मतलब मैं उस टाइप की थी। तो इट मीन्स आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी लाइक दैट। और मुझे पता था कि लाइफ में करना क्या है, और मुझे एक चीज अंदर थी दैट आई हैव टू मेक माई सेल्फ विजिबल, एंड आई सो दैट if somebody is saying Amita कौन है, then they should know who is Amita. They should not find me somewhere कि यार who is Amita over here. So that's what I wanted to be. And it was 6 months. It was beautiful 6 months. I worked in different technologies. I worked on so many things, and I have explored myself differently. But the time came when everything was going good. It was June or July, in between somewhere. And I did a mistake. My manager called me and he said, Amita, you should not do this because as you are PAT, I was in my probation period, the 1 year Cognizant probation period. So he told me, because you are a PAT, so we are neglecting this mistake, but make sure you will not repeat this. I said, okay, I will make sure I will not repeat that mistake. Then within the time span of 15 days, I did that mistake thrice. I know it sounds very careless, right? But I didn't realize that what I'm doing. मतलब अगर आपको कुछ पता नहीं है कि कैसे करना है, तो अगर आप वो चीज कर रहे होते हो, पहली बात आपको कोई बताने के लिए नहीं है कि वो चीज गलत है या नहीं है। So sometimes you don't realize कि यार this is not good, this is not, it should not go this way if nobody is guiding you that time. So what happens, you do the same mistakes repeatedly. So that's what happened. Within the span of 15 days, I repeated the third time. When I repeated that mistake, it was around evening 7 o'clock, because and that mail, it got escalated to my director. Before, the 2 escalation was still my senior manager, and that time the escalation went to my director. Then at that time, it was 7 o'clock in the evening, somewhere in the June or July. My manager pinged me, Amita, can you come over here? And that time, I just logged out my system. I took my bag and I ran away from the office. I was crying. I was literally crying. I could not sleep that night because मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? Let me share you. मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, या तो अब मुझे उस चीज से निकाल देंगे, दूसरा ऑप्शन है या तो मुझे उस प्रोजेक्ट से निकाल देंगे, तीसरा ऑप्शन, दे मे टर्मिनेट मी बिकॉज आई वॉज इन प्रोबेशन पीरियड। सारी चीजें चल रही थी, एंड आई लिटरली क्राइड अ लॉट दैट नाइट। मुझे हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी कि मैं नेक्स्ट डे ऑफिस जाऊं और मैं फेस कर पाऊं, बिकॉज मैं बहुत शर्मिंदा थी। आई वॉज सो एम्बैरेस्ड कि मैंने ये कैसे कर दी गलती। और मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि मैं ये सब गलती कर रही हूँ। बिकॉज पता है कभी कभार व्हाट हैपन्स कि हमें कॉलेज में ये चीज़ सिखाई नहीं जाती। आई विल कम टू द पॉइंट मिस्टेक क्या है, डोंट वरी। सो I went to office, my manager came to my desk and he asked me to come. So then he called me and the mistake was the email writing. You know, that time, apart from the development work, I got an opportunity. I was a POC. So POC means somewhere I was like, I won't tell you more, but somewhere just think like I was a bridge between my project and the clients. So I was a person who used to communicate through emails to the client. So, you know, email writing is important. And I have told in one of my video. So that's what happened. And my manager called me. I was so much embarrassed. Plus I was into very much fear. Fear of losing the job. Maybe I may lose the job today, or they may fire me from this project, और कुछ भी हो सकता है और ये टास्क मुझसे ले लिया जाए। ठीक है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। आई वॉज इन टू दैट मच फियर और एंग्जाइटी। मैं उनके कैबिन तक गई और मैं लिटरली माई हार्ट रेट वॉज समवेयर एल्स। फिर वो अपने सीट पे बैठे और वो मुस्कुराए। ही वॉज लाइक स्माइलिंग एंड दैट स्माइल वॉज वियर्ड। इट वॉज नॉट अ गुड स्माइल एंड इट वॉज नॉट अ गुड साइन। देन he called me. He said, just come to my desk. He opened his laptop. He showed my mail. See, Amita, see, this is how you have wrote. So he copy pasted my email into a notepad, and just after clicking 2-3 enters on the new line, he started writing the same mail in his word. You know, I never realized कि email writing इतनी important है। As soon as अगर मैं वो गलती नहीं करती तो शायद मुझे नहीं पता होता और मैं शायद ये मिस्टेक करती और शायद किसी को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। शायद वो क्लाइंट एस्केलेट नहीं करती तो मुझे भी रियलाइज़ नहीं होता कि दैट आई एम डूइंग दैट मिस्टेक ओनली बिकॉज दैट क्लाइंट हैज़ एस्केलेटेड दैट मेल एंड सो ही टोल्ड मी okay कि Amita, you should have write it like this, just read it out what I have written. And yeah, his mail was perfectly fine. It was very polite, in very beautiful manner. He stated the same sentence what I wrote in my words. So I said, yeah, I am lacking somewhere in, you know, in speaking in very polite manner. So I don't know what should I do now? So what is your opinion in that? I just wanted to know, like, are you going to fire me? Because after showing me how should I do this, are you going to fire me from the company or from the project or from the job I'm doing as a bridge? So that was my question to him, but in an indirect way. So he said, okay, Amita, just I want to make it very clear. See, communication is very important, and the way how you communicate is very important, because if the relationship between the client and the company is not good, they may not give you the project, and we may lose millions or billions of dollars. ऐसी बात कही तो yes, ये बहुत बड़ी गलती थी मेरी, and बहुत बड़ा रीज़न है। उन्होंने भी बोला this is a great reason. If somebody some manager level, some senior associate level would have done this mistake, they may have taken you to the higher level, or they may have escalated you, they may have fired you, or they may have done anything. But as you are a fresher, I'm giving you one more chance to prove yourself कि तुम कर सकती हो. I was so much lucky to have that manager in my life कि जिन्होंने मुझ पे तीसरी बार ट्रस्ट किया. What has happened? Because अब मैंने जो गलती कर दिया है, मेरा रेपुटेशन ख़राब हो गया है. Because of that, maybe what I have thought of, like I will get promotions, maybe because I was eligible. I was one of the candidate who was eligible for back-to-back promotion. That is, I was in orbit shifter group. So I was eligible for 6-month promotion within that duration. So I had a fear like, okay, अब मेरे हाथ से वो चांस निकल चुका है. जब लाइफ में ऐसा चीज़ आपके पास आए ना कि आप सारा यूनिवर्स आपके अगेंस्ट हो जाए और आपके पास बस एक चीज़ हो, एंड दैट वन थिंग इज़ होप. आई हैड दैट होप कि maybe in the coming 6 months I can change the thing. I can change their mind. Maybe in the coming 6 months आई कैन मेक इट पॉसिबल कि मुझे वो चीज़ मिल जाए, मुझे वो एटलीस्ट वो प्रमोशन का वो एक खुशी मिल जाए, मैंने उस चीज़ के लिए आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन दैट. Then meanwhile I took whatever the task was coming to me, I used to work on that, I used to take extra curriculum, whatever XYZ. I was so much into volunteering myself into different activity कि मैंने वो गलती की है. I never ever thought of, I never ever rewinded that. Even not even my manager told me anytime like, oh, you did that mistake. Nobody talked about my mistake that time. So whatever happens in your workplace, if something happens to you, that after that day, after a few moments, nobody will come and ask you like, you did a mistake. Nobody will remind that. Every day is a fresh day at workplace, so make use of it. So I made use of that fresh day. Every fresh day I did something. I tried to put myself into different thing. I tried to explore myself, and that what happened. It was February, and that was rating period for everybody, and I was not expecting that. Trust me, I was not expecting. I was like expecting, okay यार second rating भी मिल जाए, मतलब थोड़ी सी कम भी मिल जाए तो भी चलेगा, because मेरे past में मुझसे बहुत सारी गलतियाँ हुई हैं. But I knew that the next morning my result is going to come, and that time I will come to know whether I am eligible for that or not. And I went to my desk, I opened my system, and it was written like, oh my god. So I got surprised कि मैं eligible हो गई हूँ. And then after some time, after few minutes, like for few minutes I rewinded my journey, 1 year journey. I had tears in my eyes, and I was like, literally I felt like I want to cry. Because my journey was not at all straight line. It was up and down. It was not at all a straight line. To get that opportunity, I worked so hard. I cried so many nights, and so I just want to, tell those people who are maybe starting their life or starting their journey, or maybe who are struggling in something, then guys, always think like your every day is a fresh day. You should start every day freshly, and always remember, just keep that hope to do something better. If you have done some mistake in your past, always try to improve yourself each and every day. Show the world that what mistake you have done was not at all what you wanted, what you intentionally did, or what you did was just because of your carelessness. So you have to prove yourself at workplace by working better and better each and every day. So make use of each and every day at your workplace and make it work and make it worthful. So that's what I wanted to tell you. And if it was helpful for you, please don't forget to press thumbs up and give a comment what you think about my video and all that stuff, because impression जरूरी है video पे to make it ताकि YouTube के algorithm में थोड़ा सा अच्छा show हो. So it really helps me and it really motivates me, and it तो एक thumbs up बनता है यार, कर दो. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye bye.